2y plus 5y. Simply, it's 7y. And that's the answer. So this is actually quite easy as well. So 4x, just leave the x there, and then so 4 plus 3, easy, 7. And then we just put the x in, so 7x. And then you see 3y minus y. Plus 3y minus y, which is, so plus 3y minus y, so it's 2y. Plus 2y. And that is quite easy again, so even though it's big, we'll get the x's first, so there's 3x and 4x plus 4x. So we can cut those out. Then we'll get the ones without y or x. So there's 2 and there's 5. Plus, cut those out, and there's the y's. Plus 3y plus 7y. So altogether, for 3x plus 4x, 7x plus 5 plus 2, 7 plus 7 plus 3, 10. 10y. So again, for these, you have to get these once again. Put in the 4x. So just put, so minus 2x. And then you get the normal ones. Plus 6 plus 5. And then there's the y's. And then there's y, so plus minus y plus 3. And then all we have to do is 4x minus 2x, so 2x plus 6 plus 5 is, what's 6 plus 5 again? 11 plus 11 plus minus y plus 3y. So what's minus y? So for this one, even though there's a bracket and there's no symbol, it still means times. So in this case, it's 5x times 4. So 5x times 4 is 20x plus 2 times 4 is 8 plus, we have to do this one now, x plus x times 7. 7x plus 2 times 7, 14. Now we can add the x's together, which is 27x plus 8 plus 14. 14 plus 8, 22. And that is our... So you see, so 5 times x is 5x, and then plus 6 times 5 is plus 30, so 5x plus 30, and then put the bracket, and then minus 5x. So you see that? Put 5x minus 5x plus 13. So it's 0 plus 30. So it's 30. So again, it's kind of easy again. 2x times 4 again. So 8x plus 3 times 4. 12, of course. Then we have to do this one. So x times 5. 5x plus 4 times 5. 20. Woo! Now we have to add up the x's together. So 8 plus 5 is 13x plus that plus that is 32. And again, that's the answer. 3 times 3x equals 9x, and then 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. And then 9 times minus 6. And then we have to do this one, so 5 times 2x is 10x plus 10x. And then there's 5 times minus 6, which is 10. 30 is minus 30. And then, yeah, that's the one. And now, see 9x and 10x, you can add them. So it's 19x, and then there's minus 6 and minus 30. If you add them together, it's minus 36. And that's the answer. Now try these questions and see if you have learned anything. Be sure to pause it, as we will have the answers coming soon. Time for bloopers. Where's the other blue one?